Have you ever wondered if the secret to dropshipping success lies in a hidden valley, a bustling metropolis, or perhaps a sun-drenched beach somewhere? When it comes to Spocket, one of the most popular platforms for connecting dropshippers with suppliers, this question of, where are they located? Often pops up. It's more than just idle curiosity. Understanding a company's roots can give you insights into its operational style, its customer support, and even its overall business philosophy. For many entrepreneurs diving into the world of e-commerce, dropshipping presents an enticing opportunity. It's a business model that allows you to sell products online without ever holding inventory. You list items on your store, and when a customer makes a purchase, you simply forward the order to your supplier, who then ships the product directly to the customer. This eliminates the need for large upfront investments in stock, warehousing, and shipping logistics, making it incredibly accessible for beginners and those with limited capital. However, the ease of entry doesn't mean it's a walk in the park. Success in dropshipping hinges on several critical factors: finding winning products, effective marketing, and, crucially, reliable suppliers. And that's where platforms like Spocket come into play. They act as a bridge, connecting dropshippers with a vast network of suppliers, often pre-vetted for quality and shipping efficiency. They streamline the product sourcing process, making it easier to discover profitable items and automate order fulfillment. But back to our central question: where is Spocket located? If you've ever scrolled through their website, used their app, or even just seen their branding, you might have noticed a certain global feel. They serve a worldwide audience of dropshippers and boast suppliers from various corners of the globe. This international presence might lead you to believe they have multiple headquarters or a highly distributed team. The truth, however, might surprise some. While Spocket operates globally and has a team distributed across different locations, its primary operational base and headquarters are located in Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. Now, why is this important? Understanding that Spocket is a Canadian-based company can offer some interesting insights. Canada is known for its strong technological innovation, a highly skilled workforce, and a generally stable economic and regulatory environment. This can contribute to a perception of reliability and trustworthiness for businesses operating from there. It also means that their operations are likely subject to Canadian business laws and regulations, which can be a point of assurance for users. Furthermore, being headquartered in Vancouver positions Spocket within a vibrant tech ecosystem. The city has become a significant hub for startups and established tech companies, fostering an environment of innovation and talent. This can translate into Spocket's ability to attract top-tier developers, customer support specialists, and business strategists, all contributing to the platform's continuous improvement and user experience. But let's be clear, while their headquarters are in Canada, Spocket's reach is undeniably global. Their network of suppliers is one of their biggest strengths. Unlike some dropshipping platforms that focus heavily on Chinese suppliers, Spocket prides itself on offering a significant number of suppliers from North America and Europe. This emphasis is a major selling point for dropshippers for several key reasons. Firstly, faster shipping times. This is a huge competitive advantage in the e-commerce world. Customers today expect quick delivery, and products shipped from North America or Europe can reach customers in those regions much faster than those shipped from Asia. This leads to higher customer satisfaction, fewer cancellations, and better reviews for your dropshipping store. Secondly, higher product quality. While there are many excellent suppliers in Asia, North American and European suppliers often have a reputation for consistent product quality and adherence to higher manufacturing standards. This can lead to fewer returns and chargebacks, ultimately saving you time and money. Thirdly, easier communication and returns. Dealing with suppliers in similar time zones and with shared cultural norms can significantly simplify communication. Returns and exchanges can also be processed more smoothly when dealing with suppliers closer to your customer base, reducing logistical headaches. Spocket's location in Canada, combined with its strategic focus on North American and European suppliers, creates a powerful proposition for dropshippers looking for a reliable, high-quality, and efficient sourcing solution. It allows them to bridge the gap between global demand and localized supply, providing a valuable service to entrepreneurs worldwide. So, while their home base is in Canada, Their influence extends far beyond its borders. They actively recruit and vet suppliers from diverse regions, ensuring a wide array of products across various niches. This global approach to supplier acquisition is what truly makes Spocket a powerful tool for dropshippers, regardless of their own geographical location. Whether you're dropshipping from a small town in Nigeria, a bustling city in the US, or a quiet village in the UK, Spocket aims to provide you with the resources to succeed. Their customer support, while not physically located in every country, is designed to be accessible and responsive to a global user base. They offer various channels for assistance, including email and live chat, often with support staff available across different time zones to cater to their international clientele. This commitment to global support reinforces their commitment to being a truly international platform. Ultimately, the question of where is Spocket located is less about a single physical address and more about understanding their operational philosophy. They are a Canadian company with a global vision, striving to connect dropshippers with quality suppliers primarily from Western markets. This strategic positioning has allowed them to carve out a significant niche in the highly competitive dropshipping platform landscape, offering a compelling alternative to those who prioritize faster shipping, higher quality, and easier communication with suppliers. They have built a platform that leverages technology to transcend geographical boundaries, bringing the benefits of dropshipping to entrepreneurs no matter where they are in the world. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.